And Yenny can exclusives answer. Okay, so Jude, Yama exclusives na
say
Yantuaso.
The attorney say, your Baba Legacy. Now say, leg near Baba Sassiano. Baku ya mo bo krom ha pan ho ya mo boya na so oh bra emu ya o be me na emu ye
how's that seven now ba
menua emu ya na nsu ye nsu emu ya chen mo ko de na asem mo bopa u steady trend ne pa o de mo kes mo steady a timo we mo boye ne ho ya mo bo na asem mo ya areho mitimi dwene ho na miti pai me ha to folk. Hey, supporter be a friend. Oh, chairman. Ni team no near my say. Dabe na coach iba. Chal omo bise. Enya bibi enya say has. Was it in self aligo. Was it me coach why? Coach asemu. And a supporter CB so. Oh, chairman. You perceive we in technical team. Would the anya be ano say leg no dear. Say yenya shekran. Oh dear me who see your technical team. And I don't say has to see Debbie. No, French Rose. No. Name say Asem Daba.
Okay.
Asem Derini. For exclusive Chimba me, Wadaroma. Asem Daba.
Mamma, we inform
Nhyira Power Sports. Enyantie tiemu, enyateni, enyedeyo, enye kotoko 1 has 1. Nemum authentic analysis. Ayenam so esuade na ye kire yadwene. Nhyira Power Sports #1.
Dude, yanko bra. Enkomo amedi. Amerere mu aduadua mu ahue mu. Nhyira Power Sports there of course so say authentic. Ani say ene da be me ndamboa. Okay. So kwasiada adwada ebenada se bibia nsi a hwe ansesa obeti se head to folk eben na mini technical team say na memenda se bibia ansesa
Tuesday
by Tuesday head to folk eben na mini technical team the atieni se osanka dada do na mini technical team wadi ne nkoma ye ni bibia awie na emom won heading sikasem no no more young adwuma entina wo say o provided the personal account ni ade na mate so mo awie bibia or so mo ye wiring no na sika ne ko because obi ampe FIFA asem bia biom because FIFA de bo na asem so ana wo ye maso wo se na ehunehuna nti o say sa de ni free ho nti o so mo clear ekwan num and sign a new technical team no officially o mo timi announce
okay
till last week na yera to be agboro na mu sikewura na wa issue check kra ama say bibia ye okay so by Tuesday tianse technical team ne
how many eba
yes she said ya to so
okay
the atienie okay 2023-2024 mediama kokofa coach bi ebai broni vita ne bosa capo oh guys are coach no
yeah
or the mediama eba bedi 8th war leg no with 29 points and at the flowing season not almost the 5th and 2 teams no and 2 parties no
obi a party
yes the contract ne ko na wie de atie no coach tema youth no te the contract ne ko na wie nti e ko na wie no 2 parties no entimi agree on BBR as a contract they make me there now so account there or say suit 2 parties no yes tinti ase anya adwuma ti me pam twa ya na picture no ye de beto ho na ma show you
baby ada so into
yes on that so papa in that so kama and we gene samba enti the tennis on no be the head coach
okay
na Watara the technical director Watara Edru baby technical director Edru baby Watara ba coach Edru baby Watara kokoye advisor to the board Watara coach Watara do John baba ba technical director na Richard Olele Kingston
goalkeepers trainer
Olele na be goalkeepers trainer yes sana be ana bibia nso ansesa Mukai Olympics no coach bi near friend no Sule Adamu
okay
odi adwumadie no eto ho Sule Adamu on the baba had to folk youth team coach has youth team coach no Sule Adamu.
Okay.
So okay, coach Sule Adamu. Se bibi ansesa or no, and a babe had to folk youth team coach Sule Adamu. And he has by Tuesday there on bese ye bibia bom announcement in a bar no more send ye the amount come ti afa mu amasoma no se twa piano and afa no nya bibia nka biom
better only as goalkeepers trainer they are things are very high
yeah papa oh no na say the point is uti Ghana football akosemu at the highest level there's no goalkeeper in terms of level or so level the Ghana call baby eche olele maybe one olele na ya can answer me Remfi 2006 World Cup o save Ghana papa o jejuma at a point you him say yes I go 2010 or the can one golden gloves no the Ike Casillas yes Casillas olele sa World Cup ni amfrimu ntam kra na nanka best goalkeeper of the tournament and ko be it me ayu on say quarter finals ni free mu olele dey challenge level no dey buy ni dey chairman jai oye nyina na TB Joshua Mpai bonso ka ho na mu na
watara
lack na bibia so exposure yes
olele ana Sule Adamu
yes
okay
nti sanity here
and you for how to folk there
yes nti how to folk there no mo nsesen to kama
nti ya kwa
hivi no okay Abdul Fattah Safiu Kumasi Asante Kotoko Abdul Fattah Safiu Abrante we bebo adwuma the kaye papa Dr. Kwame Chei time no ane Kwame Kontemu a squad na Kotoko squad ba ko pa na no e den if I said the last time Kotoko etimi ramu group stage of the Confederations Cup sa almost squad no yes ha squad no unsemre bi osan by na nke o se Kotoko sign no na chairman Nkotoje no na akwaye nzem bebre Brana yenya assessment na yehu de ekoni engyina so ne yenya sign so a chairman said da mempene na me try there say the BB United the Bible Premier League
yeah
okay good and the etienne say the BB United eni na di nkomo na emom komodie no the etienne say the BB United for ne say omra no mo assess no Tomu assess ni wie no mu se bibia ye kama and sign officially omo man the contract because bra e ba issue of Kotuje semwa ade ba ko a we a footballer ohu e betimi carry e betimi end na abruptly that guy no talent papa na Kotuje sem no so e di players bebreu ti obi on na te say wa retire every football mu aya na on tias e sa lie no on say muzzle tear crowd the end e minor ade easily betimi I recover e kokokoba ne say metatarsal me ka onan so ani ade nyina no e na enyehu na emom Kotuje udi agra ball no wawie na akra na mo ebra so Kotuje eho ka so nim say the
e ka waso be yesi pa
ka waso be yesi tinyame pa people should stay tuned
okay.
From Monday con exclusives no yasa abone be
the baby United one
the baby United
na wonim say wo coach no me coach na sign it should be 204 205 so time no division 1 on no yam Puasuma United head coach na
wa coach Olympics
na yeah say oye didi boys na didi training and tell me I
can't fly since coach
metaka said coach ba ko na me pen wo Premier League ni ma hwere no because minim na from afar out me there him so a very good coach pa
very good coach
very good coach and
that coach
yeah heard the way no so be see akọ so yeah transfers now
yes na yeah transfers no nyame pa
okay
Monday be drop him all
okay
na bro I mean sign ya dey be nchiro see about the new season I say
yeah
na season wey dey tie me say omo pressure wo mo so yie Ye pie Kotoko ne has.
Okay, so me starting to say Abuade mame Ghana Premier League fixtures no why week 1 no Ghana Premier League fixtures ni week 1 the baby United first game Omani Asante record na elbow monfanche the way mu si no facility kakra nti no man hwe ya mu hu nti madawro ma say ya net e beta me madom na mamu matches ni ye week 1 no the baby United ni Asante record na bebo Port City ɛne Ashanti Gold ɛyɛ 04 ana
anya aba fresh for me no
aba fresh for me no ana Heart of Folk ɛne Brekum Chelsea ana bɛbɔ Basake Holy Stars ɛne Stradro All Blacks Samates ɛne Kawala United Vision ɛne Young Apostles Dreams FC ɛne Mediema ana Betemi United ɛne Baby ɛne Gosas na Pando Heart of Lions ɛne Adriana Stars abo ɛno ɛyɛ Vic ɛyɛ 1 ɛno no saa pɛpɛpɛ na esi ɛteɛ nti aza yɛkɔ no yɛbɛhwɛ yɛ big clubs ne kakra
but of course first 5 matches of Asante Kotoko and Heart of Folk they will see it me doing komo yie pa
okay so
na me dey man so metre na dey be also ye careful
so why first 5 ni nyina na
say first 5 matches no yes my
okay
na ye bedi hu komo but ansa na no yem fefa mu a yem fefa fa ne ma bi mu na ye nwura league no mie media steady idea be critically me dey ma teach you na sa dey we be kodi ama no but before me can sa asem no monfu adwene mra dey bi so Leaks the way we are seeing now. Leaks the way we are seeing now. Say no. Let me catch as a matter of fact. An attitude the munim no. Say ye Europe. Say ye Africa. The munim no. Unim leg back who emwaye din ye pa. Be a margin maso. Ghana Premier League. Emwa din papa munim de emwa din. Mun say the idea bi. Me patrol. The past 3-4 seasons. To almost 5 seasons ni. Most steady season biano.
Yenya new winner na.
Yenya new winner. Mude most steady side critically. Huh? Mediama 4-5 seasons ago. And I'll join the first league title. Meboa. Good. Samatex. Eba league no. Samatex etekino less than 3 seasons. Meboa. Samatex en super beji league. Munshade munye trend na ekona ade na ma ne yehu no Samatex nso be je lake o shoki ubia baby any Gold Stars anya within 3-4 year period na Gold Stars nso aje lake ewie na me de ma si da bi se kra de line na da ho no trend no western for yen dia so almost say the best comes from the west meboa ana me dey man see there be any Samatex mo age dia ade no from Sama boy to Takwa de say emuntwe enti mo fancy here ya na yenso yensanso ensom na ye kra de say Kobo Champions League ye real group stage enti mo fanso ya ana me dey man saje ade no enti wonim de akadetro ni say Ghana League no mo hu ni sa no emu ya din ye pa because virtually opa Spanish Premier League all about Real Madrid ne ba so mo na e bo mo ade on betimi aboy bi a 10 year period na wanya Atletico Madrid ba ko bi no ababa bi chim no akwakonya bi a Valencia no msala no mo ay but virtually sa two teams in e bo mo league no mo jai o mo aka to akiri oko EPOla almost the same meboa Africa Egypt one oko no mo abekwa ko hu Ali na e bo na ade oya na Zamalek ne hu aba betwim na bia Pyramids de ne sikasem no de ababa bi rambi no a anyan komo fufuro bia patcho so hot point na he ko Tanzania odu Tanzania oh Yanga Simba omo aka omo ejo omo agura akire obi ani ho bema o Tanzania bema bi ani ho Yanga ne Simba na omo bo omo leg it is steady side and critically opa kokungu say trend na ne follow when ya TP Mazambia ubenya enkrofo we team yi on babebo Africa yi either TP Mazambia na say sa wo team yi o mre fidi no omo na no mo challenge TP Mazambia to some extent virtually leagues na ye bobo no sa oko Germany anya ba na ebo ne league omu a Dortmund bi no betwim ba ko na Leverkusen de ba ko bia ba be ya flash wawie they can no say Bayern momo league ya no wawie AS Vita Club, mo, I mean, sure, champion for Tila, Huawei production, brutal. Hey, I'm one air bomb lake, bra. Italy, one air bomb lake. Italy, one Inter. So, a ball leg, no, Tetina, Namobeka said the old ladies of Serie A. Namobeka Kobo, Juvedin, na AC Milan, so no, a by Europa, no, bonnet dear. Inter bonnet lake. And too steady at the end critically, oh. Pelega, Uncle France cried, and Umpo, dear muscle. eno kwa de mo so asefem PSG no rapim kra ne sa no rapi o mo sa rap na wa o hwe ni sikasam ne talent o rapim kra no ono kwa de o sanke yi no ne ye twen edu Champions League ese be board ye na munjai mo no ko mo e mo le ti o steady ade ni ye pa na ye league na mo hu ne sa no ye league ni mo ade ye because oba link aba be even FA Cup o de shadio even FA Cup in so atremanda baba beche Dreams FC ebeje Nations FC typical Nations call relegation but waji FA Cup meboa and can be being sure about Ian League no how we sit here and Nations near can about 2 seasons ago no contention so winning league no bro so when you me point me when you picture me
even crime no just starting season and say no be any say Nations at least anya crowd there the top 4 there Nations build them
I didn't who brutal and a league so boys ni mu hwe no aye league baby any go stars ne kotoko be bo timi cheche no o cheche wie so anya so ohuru wi anu asase waguso am say enya no o sell sa me dia mamu sa na omo die senior si obeka tro say be ma me so opema ampa so obesa wo tijo study and leg na your leg ni mu de papa and mu din yes your young challenges we know obi antimi njane from the challenges yen challenges e wo but so can say ushade ni generally the competitive nature and your leg ni e pa pato aduna ba so de and your leg ni e pa because and your leg straight away over the case e kotoko de has dia na has na mu o person say how difficult and leg ni city has na mu the past 2, 3 to 4 seasons. Now if you know chifanebo, a drew baby a final day. Yabo first half for we yabo first half for we final day matches no. First half for we and na betema na brekum na betema. Yabo first half for we yes had to folk echo relegation.
And I know your money betema.
Owo say if yes. Owo say if yabo first half we no. Now has echo relegation no can relegation team so. She has level in status in stature. And so then no battle with. Nancy relegation no. And yet battle in a way so I say you good for Alec, wouldn't be a man you good no. It tells you say even has with the level low. Baby I was born a football bra edru. 4 5 seasons ago ya no. Some more bodu. Edu omo say agi bibia. E wa ya league no. Na all battle with relegation ah. Who say in a way eh. Actually say you be an obia. Inti ama MTN FA Cup na omo nyum na me dey obia nya obia ye nyina ya pe o senior obia nche obia chairman ya boade na tompro yembo and new entrant no ban boys near stubborn brutal and nkra ni mushe me sa try dey be trend be aside ho mo hwe Century Cup na omo bo no in Century Cup steady ade bi o pe pre-season back oh aye ka so obi and a good pre-season in Century Cup no more bono. Steady in Century Cup starting. Omo moji and lead no omo moji FA Cup no. Omo free cruise in Fisa in Century Cup no. Mediama FC in Century Cup. Or defending champions of our league. Meboa. Dreams FC Edgy FA Cup. Dreams Edgy FA Cup no. Me a Renfi. Dreams FC in Century Cup. Meboa. Dreams cry they say in Century Cup no ono edaho so almost say 21st 22nd 23rd now Dreams FC na defending champions so some okay in Century Cup in so atreman kobo in Century Cup ye wie no no afa in FA Cup meboa bro aduna ba so Summertex ekobo in Century Cup Summertex FA League and in Century Cup na mu so mo bo no and trend be a sound so ho omo mo in Century Cup no. At least almost first 5 matches, almost the bear 12 points and a chance here. Nations FC AAB, Mediama Munina AAB, Mupaya Mun check a trend at home. And to a proper pre-season back on Ubenya, a Century Cup no more. A good papa, a boy clubs no. Once the first idea about a boy year pan, as I got out of 4 9 years.
Yeah.
Naga got of 4 no. Your boy a prepare clubs near, and I'll be a one day. And to obu wie sana o 6 season na se a chairman jai untimi no
because all the big clubs in the
exactly.
The last edition Indian century the Adriana Stars Ekobobi
yes
Ubenya Kawala United Ubenya Dream FC Ubenya Nations FC the Mediama yes
Mediama
yes
I know the call leg title.
What the Mediama bo only a piano bo now the Nations are very
from
you started season now you know sir what prepare grounds
why are there and no make any alinkensem and a brother study another trendy be what's a medium especially say Nations FC they are on ball league be
yeah
and to say na asem here sa o kan leg en common Nations asem no here sa name on mediama me kire mo ade bi unim teams no mo ebo Africa in recent times so Africa no enya huge effect on them obekwa kobo ho betimi aginisika obenya exposure na ni beje but obo Africa we pe check in the leg no ba bi odi Dreams FC ekobo Africa obo ya command zone okodu semi-finals impo
yeah
Dreams FC season no nyame nko a nkanitite nkoko odi 9 for league no so I say this here good Summertex ekobo Africa Summertex ball Africa we no last season no league no be 7th Mediama na mu ko ball Africa ya ball league we okukudi 8th Africa no boy no gidi Mediama mu o de kokko say 8th unim baby any gold stars any team am steady in recent times one ball Africa owie no anya effect on the team o place second or leg no and see say bo Africa there bo Africa se woni ema yie because the danger ya na wa de num ni danger na ne say bo Africa no hu boa tofi no team but all two kwan no ema ebre eba wa afen and I'll be use key players and to use key players no say when is squad depth we no bra forget it e be huge effect on your team. Me na so was another point in Africa no me dey try mediama address so because sorry clearly mediama by the signings ne how why niema no obi hu say mediama the tendency so obi defend the title no very high. But in recent times ade da ho no
and then the last time we call DC because first one Kotoko had to folk no the enti o mo ba Africa kra na still o mo timi sai ball leg no Kotoko timi tell team mutu if you Vodacom Challenge Cup second team ne betumi as team
second team no so say array of stars and wo ha enti o bo Vodacom Challenge Cup no enha no owia squad na we kire ni so hu ehu has make at a point or timi tell team mutu all Africa na all dominating no all boni nyina no the team no so ha no as a strong team enti be ma obeba Africa wie ba anka no still leg na ne dia bradia so hu enti titru ya mediama o so opesa ojelege no on hwe ne signings yie anye sa be bo Africa wie no onam be bu Africa ne boa wo when you school when you exposure to be himself feel good factor no ho enti u ba be bo leg ne de anka ne e automatic ade de ma na me boa but the stress are a womb who too kwan ni ade any players na produ ba bi o mpo psyche because obi am person obepra me preserve me na de abo Africa tis our teams no stadium here eduru Africa time na no mo asase e drop it leg no obo so mo results no ba na e ba form the womb no because unim goal stars won last season and goal stars versus leg no so mo steady at a point Africa na no obo no and the man drop him am the am fa ho na e weigh it down enti also mo hwe sa na ma ni nyina yie se magic na me kwa kobo Africa sister woniema ye with your signings e ye futu kese we ye free consultation na mediama especially mediama any omo next season teach you kotoko ne has our Africa next season no say also omo kwa no beti aka so omo nko Joe Gabi next season kotoko ne has beti aka kire so omo nko Africa
na ye boye no man qualify me den no mako
ekroma kotoko ne has beka kire say yes be season bi omo wie we all see Africa men can say there ade na nkra ne dia munjai ye de ejene ye ho ade no say mo mani tua say no boys no ha dwunintia momko ekromu ha.
What you are saying, you know, in Ghana football system, ne there. And I got to has into Ganges, Yabo season every back home Africa. And that's it. But the tennis with player could confess you over recently, you know. You don't be in the side, you do Yanana.
Bro, Pachoti Kotoko has one, or one Africa, me no crib, we a Jumasoya away. And I won't steady. Sure. Utie football no ayen dear. There be no obi catch him. Hey boss, I am discussing Kotokone has dodo. And I'm saying, I can discuss why. I can discuss
big clubs. Oh man,
bra me patch me bo. One. O sponsor cry or de me advert to cry ban. So one can Kotokone has one some more. Or no be problem. Me bo. At the hin be man traffic.
I did as how much is now.
Enti ko super sports. Na catch you almost say, I'm more discussing Liverpool more. I'm discussing Man City, Chelsea more. On discuss why? Not no spending the time on so on. Sound.
Miranaki Simra and the coach is Simra.
Now, I wouldn't wash and that mediama, you can't say Africa or Boba Bayara. A do baby free getting po. Or be a grandpa so now a day, maybe. Adamon for Refiana. Kotokobo Africa, non the cotton sport Garua, mo elbow. A cromani who sike ye she wa. A do baby cry refuse a car for cry say oh or per se anka finance so some would say non person mobile babaya e dentia. But Brazilians no kotokoni has no missing the panic and bisa say chairman patrol. I double FHS club of the century 20th century no. Me patrol ya de ma uti mo. Why the name no? Has a libre ya no prepare and coco relegation no. Educa say how to full relegation ah. Anka BBC Africa headline story. But me patrol say in Suatremanco relegation po FOB
David.
FOB
because Korokone has soon na be gina na dia kwa first brothers na nketwa no so
there be all brand it say me nka say in Suatremanco relegation om do mo na jai ball ne bo how United jai ball ne bo no BBC Africa be carry story no or the other there be who is so hoy with all due respect. Ba ma ko to kwa na say hat to folk onjai league bo and I say kukoba say
big story.
Hey, amanfo be di story no match o. Ha Kotoko has so molik. Hey, asem kesi be ni. Enti bra yentia say South seniors no mebo no no hat to folk na the Champions League. Ah o the league ato aso nsia. Ah CNN top 10 year ranking is so to 8. What best teams no. So
to help with the Awokan,
bro.
Yamfa wins also now for young queen. First 5 matches for Heart to Folk. One more bought Chelsea. One more bought Gold Stars. Airbo B team, Airbo Kawela, Airbo Dreams FC. That's for Heart of Folk. Asante Roko, Airbo the baby. Pandu Heart of Lions, Samates, Airbo Diana, Abo Kawela. That's the matches for Asante Roko.
Yes. Bro, make sure idea. Kotoko Heart of Folk in 2 because League nobody in the first 5 matches. On me agony. Or first 5 matches fixtures no.
Ten be more momentum no.
Exactly. What me international 2 points go where we Ubeti league na hona na ejuro njira baby a secret no. About 80 to 90% of the teams so omo league go Ghana. First 5 matches. And unim club administrator bi onim football no oteball na se bia hu. Ya de fixtures ne buy na. They are no mo train no. Ye bo season ni wie na ye ba be new season asia. Omo mo ambition pa na omo ani abre pa no fixtures no chain who fixtures na first 5 nights and ni gina bia who said you are niama no operations no said your sister no otie ni bi oye bi onim say kai first 5 matches me target points we na me nya ma wie bro Kotoko has first 5 matches na win is an day papa me ba Kotoko but they be first on
yes
for my you dem be so as for my
oh sir pedigree na dey can dey you say for my Kotoko
Martimini anya me say praise Casper me there or see dey be dia obeka say eje I dey Martimini anya me
be quote na me so me nim no stubborn
bra
niama is stubborn pa
bra apart from niama me try there game na hu ye de ma Kotoko woni dey nti ehu de bibi na ye kan wo hu Oba Premier League no. Wouldn't you oye? DBB ni home. And then last day, the be name we cast 6 matches. No, say Prince Minty, who are qualified for playoff dada.
Okay.
I can't last 6 matches. No, already no are qualified for playoff. Me come for you natural year no ati ade na see ye. I told you, the only team or team said the BB on the home. A unity. Unity no kwa send the crown. Not the BB are qualified or no the last game. Your best son, I don't know any CSN. Your best son because we are qualified for playoff. I'm funny key players and more. Key player crown our Benjamin Mukrano. Usroso Bipra, the one. Etienne so. Your best son, and to only home, you say, it's a difficult grounds. Now they are saying, DBB, some real fear, my main time at the back. FA Cup, time and nearby FA Cup match, no empty and FA Cup. Okay, so I'm bet sick or toko, I'm crying bet sick or toko. I say, I don't could get here, I'm crying, boy, but true food, time and me run for I'm be trying for one. Oh, surprise, okay. I'm be trying up a 2 6 on the Bemma. How can find some boys ever say for one? Yeah, be me kai kwam poku kra na take anu ba ko de ma ye. Omo strike bi on. Na mu hye ni ye kotoko pe no. How to folk air pe no. Na nse kra de summer text so de omo ho agim.
The next 3 minutes we for my
man. Striker no kwam ye ntwi. Bra, boy no. Or you good brutal na me chiro de ehu. Omo sign what experience omo team. Right back, they know about media man Odro. Oma kofa sa boy no. And Baseke Holy Stars captain no, Isaiah Kubu. Oma kofa Isaiah Kubu so. And we say crap praise and my turn kwame pa no more United. And so omo experience with team. And at the same time, or sounds my catch was Sapi Abdul Fattah Safiu. Imagine Sonia Safiu can one. And Tianya bad team. Samates Felix Kodia.
Or not so called.
Yes, because them omo di hun komo. Now I'm so officially I confirm. Is I confirm. It's Felix Kodia so akoka ho. Ono so Premier League experience. Brajai. Enya fuate.
Okay.
Yet ya be Kodia ti am kra ba be eh. Sa de na the confusing by wa be boy 4-1. Almost striker na America no. Of my 17 goals in 25 games. Enti me enya won has akoni hu. Wo mo ampene Krobia yam player pa brantie no. Enso nkofon da.
Which are Division 1 so ne boy din.
Ne boy din
because senior referee ni officiate ni bibia. Kwaya player anko be feel okay.
Me say playoff no. Within 9 minutes no boy na but 3 goals. Playoff no.
Okay.
How many Tamale cities? Come ku within 9 minutes that's how boy na make one but 3 goals or we omo. Enti em fancy trimu say ade na efo.
Okay.
Because make sure and only more hono so say kwa wanim de mani yehu. E ho kwa ya papa wo bre e kwan ne nye. Enti say wo du techima na. This obufa wenchi. Won say the local league me ye di training de etuemu. This obufa wenchi. Na wako. Na obedu di afa widiem no. And na free hands so konaka so obefa sunyan. This one kokofa sampa road. Because of omo kwan na enye na wona benya kwan pa. Bra.
The baby there.
Bra.
E ho kwa ya.
E ho kwa ya.
E ho kwa ya.
No mo see on so no ya ye ni ento.
Ai.
So the pa.
Eh Richard into ja.
Line ni no no. The trouble and honorable Alexander Ababiu. We enter me castle line ni ento. Into operation CEO or your operations are and when honorable Alexander Ababiu. At least was experience papa na kofa before kwa so be kaya. Ono saka down da munyi no ni mo ne nkra o. Time na saka down. Yes. Ne nkra. Bra. Anya dia efo.
Okay.
Yemra how to folk dia so baako. Menya na baako ba. Time na so. Time na so. Problem. Mo dia bro nya me pa. Ejuada no problem ni ho. Ejuada me live faces dey me say that di.
Yes, you be do nkomo 1-1. You be do nkomo 1-1.
Kotoko first 5 matches ne points obenya.
Aha, enu mo mbeboa me fa ne sa mo fama me.
Ne points maximum man 10 points.
Kotoko out of 15.
15 no. Man 10 points.
10 points. How to folk with their hearts and so
according to how to folk the first 5 matches. Has and so ya there pa no. Has or between 8 and 9 points.
8 and 9 points.
8 and 9 points.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
You na every woman you be send come kakra to aso.
But say them di kan omun league no ma ya fio. Ba ko league ba ko age FA Cup omun fan so omutrim.
Sir Prince. Ma mintio.
Onim. World Cup na ba na wi.